Hey, this video is for my life skills class, but in particular for Kiara, my only student. Hey, how are you, Kiara, I'm going to try to make this a quick video to walk you through today's new work. So for today, you'll notice at the bottom, I've added part 4, trifold brochure, and then I'll talk about part 3, but let me introduce part 4. In this assignment, you're going to create a trifold brochure that essentially talks about the company that you're trying to create. You'll notice two things. There's a video of a woman kind of giving different examples of trifold brochures. And I just put there to give you a sense of the various ways that companies decide to design their trifolds. Yours will be a standard paper size kind of brochure, but in this video, I thought it'd be a great idea to show you the ways that you can fold the brochure and and exactly what goes on it. So that's about 2 minutes. Down here is the handout that talks about what should be on the brochure. If you have your packet, it's right there too. But what I did here is I added examples. One that is a brochure about jewelry, and then one here about looks like pet supplies for some kind of online store. And I know the text is kind of tiny, and these examples are not in your packet, but I thought I'd put them here to help give you some ideas. Eventually, you're going to click here, my document, and what I've done is I've created a template for you. And all you got to do is plug in your company info and all that good stuff. Let me actually shrink my window here, I think a little bit. Yeah, that might help you out. So as you can see, there's a bunch of nonsense here, which is just me showing you where the text can go, but also to show you that I've already created your line so that if you were to fold this side would fold and this side would fold into the center. And if you scroll, you'll notice that there's a second page. Basically, what you're going to do is you're going to erase what I have here and replace it with your information, your company name, the products, website, whatever you can provide, the more the better. You also got to put pictures, okay? Whatever text that you're not going to use, like for example, let's say that you end up using this column for pure images. That's fine. Just get rid of it, and you'll see that the line disappears, but you should still be able to apply images. Okay. Bottom line, these letters that make no sense. I put it there to kind of show you that the brochure is already set up. You just got to plug in the info, but make sure that you follow the guidelines that is here on the handout under expectations. Okay. From there, of course, go back to Schoology, and I don't think you've started your letterhead, which I don't have here, but I'm going to add it. But if you're not sure what I'm talking about, it's this handout right here. And the letterhead should also have really the same info as your business card, which you've created. So what I'll do is after the video, I'll put some examples of letterheads on Schoology for you to use as a reference. Okay. All right, Kira. Hopefully this video helps. If you have any questions, just reach out to me by email, mrosado@youthboatcharter.org. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you Monday.